Hello, good morning, guys. So here, after computing or having a min for your ordinal data, as you can observe with this. So here we already computed the ordinal data for the min score for this uh for this data. So these are the min, and then we file it up the min score here. So as you can see, what we need to do here is we need to rank this this min score. So what you need to do is you need to put the encode the formula equal sign rank EBG. So as you can see, if I as you can see, there are some mistakes when it comes to rank. So what you need to do is you need to put a dollar sign here, and then you need to we just want to correct the ranking. So let's say for instance you're done with the ranking. So and then you copy it. So as you can see, this is the mean score of that item indicators. So what you need to do here is how will you uh how will you present the data in terms of when you are doing or writing your thesis. As you can see with this, as you can see with this, when I go back here, there are 11 indicators here. And then from 11 indicators, there is a need to get the overall mean. So that is 3.25. Okay, let me go back to this to the table for the table. Yeah, here. So after having that or after ranking the mean score, so you can observe here on this on this uh, table here on this table here that there are 11 indicators or 11 items as to the respondents. So these are the mean score, these are the standard deviation, and verbal interpretation. So the rank. As you can observe here, what we need to do is you need to present the three highest, one lowest, and the overall or the general mean. So I have here on the right side of on the left side of my presentation, in table 2 presents the attitude of the graduate students in criminological research. The survey findings revealed that item 4 ranked first. So meaning item 4 got the highest mean score, ayan, with a mean score of 4.34 and a standard deviation of 0.745 with a verbal interpretation of strongly agreed. Item 1 ranked second. That is this one. So this one. So item 1 ranked second. Research is interesting, has obtained a mean score of 4.28 and a standard deviation of 0.757 with a verbal interpretation of strongly agreed. Meanwhile, item 3, which is this one, ranked third, research excitement has obtained a mean score of 4.24 and standard deviation of 0.716 with a proven interpretation of strongly agree. However, item 7, this one, item 7 is the least in the rank. So that hence it is rank 11. So however, item 7, rank 11, researchers school has obtained a mean score of 2.32 and a standard deviation of 0.935 with a verbal interpretation of disagree. Meanwhile, the attitude of the graduate students in criminological research has obtained an overall mean score of 3.25 and standard deviation of 353 with a verbal interpretation of neither agree nor disagree. So in this case, what I did here is I just presented the three highest, one lowest, and overall mean score, which is this one, overall mean score. So you need to present the three highest, one lowest, and the overall. So to get the so what I did here is just I presented the data in the in narrative presentation. So you need to continue just like this one. This is the presentation of the table. Let's say this is the table to be to be put or to be placed in your paper. So the thing you need to do is you need to interpret and analyze the data. So I have here the three one, the interpretation, the analysis. Since it is the presentation, interpretation, analysis of the data. So what I don't have here in this presentation is the supporting literature that you need to put after you write, after interpreting and analyzing the data. As you can see, table 2 presents the attitude. Okay, let me change this one. As you can see, table 2 presents the attitudes of the graduate students toward criminological research based on the survey results. Among these statements, item 4, research makes grade rankers with a mean score of 4.34 and standard deviation of 0.745, indicating that most respondents strongly agreed with this statement. This suggests that students feel a strong sense of personal growth and pride when engaging in research. Item 1, research is interesting, ranked second with a mean score of 4.28 and standard deviation of 0.75, also interpreted as strongly agree. This reflects a high level of engagement and positive perception of research activities among the respondents. As you can observe, what I did here is after presenting the data from three highest, one lowest, and overall mean score, you can observe that I put here the interpretation and analysis of the data. So actually, for you to have a better presentation and interpretation of the data, what you need to do here on this space, you have to put here a supporting literature or results of previous studies. Every every findings, every items, supporting literature here, supporting literature here on this one, and then supporting literature here, and then with this overall results. As you can see, since we are talking or we are I am suggesting or encouraging you to present the three highest, one lowest, and the overall. So we are expecting that for every table, there must be at least 5 supporting literature or results of previous studies. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.